Today I'm going to test this mid-drive kit from Bafang. I believe this is a quite popular maker from China who makes decent quality motors. The packaging is nice, everything looks solid. So, but I've never actually ridden one of these, used one of these, so I can't be sure. And today I am here just to do that. I have a battery I'll bring in a minute, and we can test this thing out. Alright, I'm very excited about this. So I have chosen a particular type of display here by the list of items shown here, which is shipped by choice. So you have to choose what type of chain wheel you would want, and you also can choose what type of LCD screen. I have chosen one of these controllers. I don't exactly remember which one I chose. Can you imagine? That's how long it took for it to arrive. Yeah. So here I have a controller. Let me have a look. Oh, it's P850C. We have to probably download some manual for this particular controller. So this is the QR code. Let me scan this. And where is my QR code scanner? Where is my QR code scanner? Come on, what the hell? I don't know how to use this phone. Oh, okay, it's here. I'm blind. Okay, I hope I got the right one. Let's go. This image isn't really 850C, is it? Oh no, yes it is. Okay, so probably the motor itself has some kind of management system as well. Otherwise, this controller here doesn't look really built for 48 volts, probably some 5 volts and some milliamps. Okay, it's IPS screen, operating current is 40 milliamps. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward how to build it, so I will go with the assembly. I mean the temporary assembly. I will first check how everything works before actually going to installing it on the bike. I chose to buy a 750 watt version. I thought 1 kilowatt would be too expensive, and 750 looked like powerful enough, and they said it's the most popular one, so that's why it's here. Okay, this thing is very important for me because of this. Otherwise I would have trouble resoldering these connectors. There is some sort of sensor, yeah, speed sensor, and also, wow, interesting. Okay, that. Okay, that's a good fit, I believe. And so they match by color as well, not just by shape. And they seem to be weatherproof. Which one is which? No idea. If there is no difference, probably there is no difference. Yeah, There is no difference. I think this is the right place. I still don't know where these three cables go. It seems I have more stuff here. This is the throttle. I like it. And it fits. And we have two more. Oh yeah, I see now. Okay. We definitely need these brakes. You don't really have to connect it, but I will, just in case. Okay, it's all fully connected now, except for the battery. I'll be connecting the battery after I make sure this moving part is safe and away from these other parts. Okay, just in case. The smell, crazy. Wow, hello. Look at that. Intelligent. Minus 1, 2, 3. I believe this is the power level. 52 volts. Are you crazy? Okay. So I believe if it's 0, it shouldn't move. Yeah, it's not moving. And I set it to 1 and I pull this. Can you see it? 2. It doesn't have the speed sensor, so it's not measuring the speed. Okay. 3. Okay, so quick press takes you to this menu. Is it touch screen? No. No. What I don't like about this lever here, it's just a switch. It doesn't have the, you can't really control the speed. It's just on or off. You see? I don't like that. And let's set it to 1 and try the same thing. Yeah. So it's basically just a switch. You can't control the speed. We'll have to test it and see how it behaves in real life. So if you wanted to go faster, let's try this thing. I'll start by at speed 1 and I'll increase the speed. Yeah, you could almost sing with it. Oh my god. Okay. No good. That I don't like. So next time I will consider more carefully. Okay. So what's good about it? I could say I like all these connectors. They are really good quality. All these buttons, they feel like, they look good, and the motor itself also looks pretty solid. And what I don't like, as I've already mentioned, is the fact that you can't really control the speed with this thumb thumb, what do you call it, some switch, thumb throttle. It's not throttle. I'm really disappointed. Well, still too early to judge. We have to see it in real life after we install it on the bike. I will definitely shoot the whole process and post the update. Okay, see you again guys. Bye.